What's up, guys? We're here at the abandoned flip. Yeah, guys, the abandoned flip still looks bad. The abandoned flip still looks bad. You know? I said I gotta do something with the abandoned flip now, guys. Supposed to be starting on this thing this September, but I don't know. I don't know what we gonna do, how long this is gonna take. The abandoned flip is getting worse now. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. I already said, if I don't get this thing done, well, not done. If I don't get the thing started this winter, I'm just gonna let it go, guys. I'm just gonna sell it. Yeah. I'm just gonna sell it, you see? Because there ain't no need to keep holding around and waiting. I think what I'm gonna do, I think instead of getting this whole roof done, what I'm gonna do is get it patched so I can start in the inside, start getting this thing up, guys. So I think that's what I'm going to do. You see? I think instead of doing the whole roof, we are just going to get it patched. Came here today. I thought the yard was going to get a lot grown up. It's not bad. I guess because it's cooler, so the yard grass is not growing as much as it used to. Yeah. But yeah, that's what I have to do here. You see? Because the reason why I'm not going crazy on this thing, guys, is because, man, that like it separated some more right there, guys. Look at that, look at that gap. It separated some more than it was. Lord, what we got going on here? I hope the house ain't moving. Jeez. I hope the house not moving. Jeez. And hope it's this porch that's moving. Cause I swear I don't remember that gap being that big right there. Look at that, my fingers can go down in there. Jesus. I don't remember it being like that. I don't remember it being like that. But a house was sitting for over close to 100 years. Why is this happening now? Maybe I just didn't pay it attention. Yeah, maybe that's it. I just didn't pay it attention. You know, it's probably just a little stump right here. It's causing that. And the mosquitoes out here biting. Yeah, probably this little stump right here that's causing that. Yeah, but I don't know. Gotta get rid of this car right here, of course, you know that. Gotta get rid of that. That's what it is. It is what it is. These mosquitoes out here are biting. Alright, I came here to cut this grass. I just wanted to make this short video. Tell you guys we still haven't started on this thing, guys. We still haven't started on it. I know that's bad. It is. I was gonna fix this thing, guys, but I don't know now. If this thing will need major comeback work to get it fixed, I might just get it on out of here. Yeah. Then we gotta get back here and cut all these bushes down. Gotta get this mess out of here right here. You see? All this mess gotta get out of here. which is this probably right here, probably two to three loads. For this right here, 2 loads for these two. To get it out of here, but I think we got another 2 to 3 back here. We got to get out 2 to go to the not the junkyard, but the landfill. So yeah, we got a lot of work to do. But like I say, it's got to get started. Got to get done this. Well, it don't have to get done this winter, you see. But we got to get started with it. This roof got to either get patched or replaced. 1 out of 2. It need to get patched or replaced, you see? Because I'm just wasting time. And guess what? I'm not getting any younger, guys. I'm not getting old, you see? So I'm not getting any younger. So we got to get this thing done. We got to get it done or sell it. That's it. You got to get it done or sell it. And you know, people trying to give you pennies on a dollar for property. I'm not doing it. I am not letting this house go for anything less than nothing less than $75,000. Nothing less. You see? I won't let it go for nothing less than $75,000, guys. But hopefully it don't come to that and we get started on this thing and patch this roof or get it replaced. You know, because I don't know. I don't think my dad them gonna do it. He's still not well like he should be, so I don't want to put that stress on him. So either I got to get up there and patch it or do some patching, or I got to hire someone to do it. You know? But we'll see. Alright, this is just a short one, guys. To let you know, yes, we're at the abandoned flip. Yes, we want to get it done. Yes, we want to get it started. Yes, but that roof has got to get patched where it's not leaking anymore. I'm telling you, you do some work with a leaky roof, you're a fool. Yeah, you're a fool. You see, if you do work to your property and you got a leaking roof, yeah. If you do work to your property and you got a leaky roof, you're a fool. Because if you do that, everything in the inside is going to get wet, sluggy, moldy, and everything else. So that roof got to get done first. It has to get done. There's no way around it. Either you do the roof or you patch it. 1 out of 2, it has to get done. So this winter we have to do it. There's no way around it. Either that or, like I say, sell it. That's it. Either that or sell it. And I really don't want to sell it because I like having all of these different yards that I can come to. You know what I'm saying? I like being able to come here, go to yard 1, yard 2, 3, 4. I just love doing that. So I don't want to sell it. So hopefully we can do what we got to do and fix this thing, fix this roof, so we can get in here and start running the electrical wires. Start running the electrical wires, and then the insulation, drywall, and all that good stuff, you know. Now, alright guys, this is the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and we'll see you again when we're at the yard. What am I saying? We'll see you guys again when we're back in the yard. Yard 1, yard 2, yard 3, or even maybe yard 4. Peace.